Welcome back to our channel. So today's update is the most beneficial for every organization, where you can keep a bird's eye view on one screen. That is reporting feature. The Taskobot reporting feature allows you to quickly visualize the progress of your team members using graphs and charts. Admins and teams will be able to see whether a task has been completed or not using this functionality. You can also use this tool to check your team's productivity based on frequency, which may be monthly, daily or any other. This will save you and your team time when it's come to understanding the critical business insights data visualization provides. It also makes it easier to track progress toward the overall objective and compare the day's task accomplishment to previous or team statistics. So to begin with, you need to go on to organization management first, and then you need to go on to manage status, where you will be defining the color of the status. Let's make a status from right side corner, and from here you will be defining the status name. I am writing in review, and I'll choose a color from here. Let's make one more, on hold. Once you will define the colors and status, it will help in reporting feature to define the flags of every status. I will show you how you have to do it. So let's go on to reporting feature first. Here we have 4 kinds of reporting. First is user-wise reporting, then project-wise reporting, status-wise reporting, and lastly the user activity report. Let's go on to this user-wise task reporting. From here, you can get every task status with the respective dates with counting. So first you need to decide which reports you want to generate. From here, you need to select a type of user, like you want to have a data of a particular person who is owner in the task, or assignee, or a follower. I am choosing assignee over here. After that, the next parameter is you can choose the multiple team members to get their task reports. Then we'll select all status you want to have on look according to that task. And from this calendar icon, you must decide the parameter that like you want to have it look via due date, via created date, or a close date. After that, you need to select the frequency, whether you want it before, after, or any other, basically a range of the period. I will select before over here, and then I will select the date, so all the tasks which has been assigned to all the team members with respected before 10 September will appear. So now you can have a look on the graphs and the summary of all the tasks with their status counting. Also, you can have a look on pie chart from this tab. Now, if you want to save this report, you can go on to this 3 button and give a name, team report. So this will help you to save your time, because once you will apply and save any of the report, that live data of that particular report will be generated. So now let's do one more time. I am applying save report over here. But here I am changing the date before 30th. So now the report will be according to the task created and assigned to team members before 30th September. So this is how you will get the live data of whole 30th September. Also, this report can be exported via PDF and Excel, so that you will be having a record of all the reports of user-wise task report, user activity reports. From here, you can get all the activities of your team member. Likewise, you will be getting the exact activities of all the tasks. Suppose if one of your team member is adding tasks or changing due date or closing it, you can get all the activities under this report. For activity, you will be selecting the user first for whom you want to check. Then you can see all the status with it, and then the activity selection, whether you want to see the comment activity or assignee added activity, and on multiple basis. Then you must select the range of the dates, and you can search it. Here you can have the whole activity, like who has done the assignee added activity in that range, who has done comment on task with description, with their respected bar graph and pie chart. Also, you can customize that what you want to have on a board, like you want to have a look on due date, status, then you can customize as per your choice. Also, you can save the report and export via PDF and Excel. Coming to the next status wise report. Under this report, you can get status wise report where you can exactly have a look that how much are in pending tasks and how much are in other status and to whom it has been assigned. Now you need to select all the parameters from here as we mentioned in the previous reports. So according the parameters you will select, the report will get generated. Now here you can get the whole summary of this report with bar graph and pie charts. Now you can save this report, and also this report can be exported via PDF and in Excel form. Project wise report. Here you can have the whole summary of the projects which are going under your organization with graphs and charts with percentage, so that you can have a look of status of total number of projects you have created. All the projects have been defined under this graph, and you can now have individual projects report which has been differentiated with 3 reports, that is status wise report, user wise report and user activity report. With the help of this, let's go on to status wise report where you can generate status report of the particular project by setting all these parameters. So here you'll be getting the whole summary of status wise report. Now let's go on to back and have a look of user activity report with same project. And here you can select the parameters according to the activity you want to generate. So now the data has been generated and you can export via PDF and Excel. Let's go on to back. Let's generate the same report of a same project with user wise report. As mentioned, you can select all the parameters to whom you want to generate, and the data will appear like this with bar graph and pie chart. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. To be keep tab on all the updates and tutorial series video, do subscribe our channel and get notified for more videos. Stay effective, stay productive.